In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Telegram GMGN bot. So the first thing you'll need is of course a GMGN account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 30% discount on all trading fees forever on GMGN, so make sure you check it out. Now from here, you want to open up the Telegram bot, so you want to click on bot, bottom right, and then click on over here, GMGN login bot, just click on this one. And from here, you can click Start Bot if you have Telegram installed on your computer, but if you want to use the web version like me, you can click Open in Web. After you've done this, you'll be directed to this bot over here, where we'll first have to hover over this menu and click Start. And this will give you an option to log into website over here. So you want to click login website and it will direct you to gmgn.com and basically connect your account to your basically your Telegram, okay? And once you've done that, what you have to do is click on your Solana wallet. So in case you're trading Solana, you can click on this trade bot, Ethereum this one, BNB this one, or TRX this one over here. So we're gonna go with Solana. You can click on trade bot, and it will basically send you inside the trade bot for Solana over here from GMGN. In here, you want to click on wallet. And after you do that, as you can see, it will show you how much Solana you have, your wallet, etc. And over here, you can set your withdrawal address, which will basically allow you to withdraw your Solana or whatever you're using to whatever you would like. So you can click set withdrawal address and you can paste in your address. So for example, if you're using Phantom or anything like that, you want to go to Phantom or your wallet, you want to click on receive, find Solana and copy the address, paste it in here and then press enter, and just like this your withdrawal address will be added and you can then withdraw your funds or your tokens from the Telegram GMGN bot. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.